Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Woman's life in shambles after she was attacked with acid.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The life-changing and horrifying events of July 14, 2014 will forever remain in the mind of Stephanie Walker. On that day, she was attacked by two females in her Arnett Gardens community and doused with a corrosive substance. Walker was left with major burns to her face, arms, and neck. The case against the alleged attackers was dismissed by the courts earlier this week. The girl who asked me get locked up, and then we were sent to mediation. Nothing was settled, so we go back to court, and this is the end result, she said. Walker said she spent almost 3 weeks in the hospital after she was severely burnt. She was given extensive medical treatment, which included skin grafting. Staring intently at photographs of her before she received the injuries, the 29-year-old Walker said she would do anything to lead a regular life once again. She stated that her present condition has affected her ability to not only keep a steady job, but to relate to her family as well. It took more than 2 years for my son to recognize it was me. I had to go to his graduation, burnt up. I have tried working after the incident, but I stopped after a while because I could not take the stares and insults that persons would throw my way. I try get other work, but no one employ me because they are frightened by how I look. If I walk into a room, I am the center of attention, and not in a good way, Walker said between tears. Walker, who worked as a flagwoman on National Works Agency projects and as a janitor, is hoping that she will be able to undergo a plastic surgery to help restore her looks. However, she is unable to do so because of financial constraints. I just want back a normal life. I know I was cheated by the justice system, because I know that acid is illegal to throw on a person. But right now, I just want to live a regular life and have a regular face, she said. Persons wishing to assist Miss Stephanie Walker may contact her at 876-351-0699.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.